Are you wondering how to create a second Instagram account with one email, or how to switch between multiple Instagram accounts on iPhone or Android? In this short tutorial, I will show you how you can have multiple Instagram accounts with one email and how to add multiple Instagram accounts on one device. It's actually very easy. But you may be wondering why you would want to add a second Instagram account. Well, there are many different reasons, but one of the main reasons is you may have a personal account and a business account, and you don't want to have to be logging in and out each time you're switching accounts, and sometimes you might even forget your password. So it becomes very inconvenient. Therefore, you can miss some of your messages on either account. Also, because you may not want to have to set up an additional email just to make another Instagram account, when you can do it from your existing one in just 2 minutes or less. So let's dive in. But before we do, if you are interested in learning more about how to grow your business, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so that you never miss a future episode. Now, the first step on how to make multiple Instagram accounts with one email is to go to your existing account and go to the very top. And before we do that, I actually just want to tell you that you can actually add up to 5 different accounts on one email. So the way to do it is by clicking the very top, the 3 lines at the very top, right? Next, you go into your settings, and from settings, you scroll down and you click on add account. And you'll create new account. Okay, so once you do that, you basically just put in your new username and your password, and it's very self-explanatory. You can definitely do that on your own. Now, that's it. That is how you make multiple Instagram accounts with the same email. Okay, now when you're on your home screen, the way to toggle between the 2 accounts is if you go to the very top, you can either click on the down arrow or your name, and it'll show you your other accounts. All you have to do is click on the account that you want to toggle between. It's really that simple. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell, because next week I will be releasing a new video on how to get rid of fake followers on your Instagram account so it doesn't ruin your engagement. And if you're struggling with coming up with new content ideas, social media posts, Instagram posts, grab my free content calendar because it has 50 different post ideas so that you never have to be stuck again. There's going to be a link in the description below, and again, it is completely free. All right, guys, until next time, bye for now.